Okushabira abeegi kwakorerwa ahari Mbarara High School kandi abeegi 63 nibo bari mu mahisa nyungu okushitamira ebibuuzo by'okuhenurira senior ya kana n'eya mukaaga.
That our senior 6 candidates were well prepared, and I want to inform the House or the congregation that right now as we speak, some of the practicals are already done.
Omurebelezi oyabemberamu okasirra abejaba yabashaba okwekirizamu n'okwehamu obwoba.
Kakangarana ukatina ukashoti n'entare neza kurya.
Ni yakana batandika urwa 5 2010 kandi sini ya mukaga batandika kwezo kurukwija ibiro mushanju ku 11 batandika na briefing na bwanyuma batandika kwandika theories.
Bishop Sheldon Mwesigwa yashabe kitongore cya UNEB okuranisa abarukope buzo omashomero.
Amashomero gagamwe ngina mazina gamani no mahurire ngagarumu konka no baronda babura abo kubaharahe ibintu ebinde bikwetengeso mwana kitari kuhika konka.
Omugande miliyoni ziri kweshumba omerobena zitebekanisiibwe okoresebwa okunduza Rwamahoro Primary School etwirere mu mberambi ejiri mugomborora ya Kichenche omuri Banda District. Abwembereji aba Rotary Club eya Muyenga nibanda ahansi ya project eri kumanywa Kakineke Empowerment nibaza kunduza ishomereri okureba ngo lyagaruka aha Mutendo.
Atandika ntwenda kuja kushakara, ntwija kutera za ntwija kukora za flower, ntwija kukora ebituru kubasa kora ngo twakora umurimo murungi.
Ya Rwamahoro Primary School kasomerwa abantu benshi ka Alex Womezi, president wa Rotary Club ya Muyenga, Eugene past president wa Rotary Club of Ibanda, bona bakasomera hana nabandi mwene bakozere kikubasika bakoragana na abarotary club ya Muyenga baturondera sente zukuza ku renovatinga ebizibebi
merire kandi beti no bulemezi bwo kutunga sente zo kombeka ebyombeko ebikuzire munonga kandi bingi kandi bibintu bishomisha abana bitu akumara ubwiro buringwa.
Reason why we have said that we must be that group of persons, not these people of action in talk, no, people of action in real. I want to tell you that you have just seen us. You are going to see us more.
Abwa TV West ndise Nyomo Gideon na Timothy Mushabe.